This isn't comfort. This isn't calm. The 2026 Tuono V4 is what happened when Aprilia refuses to tame a superbike.
Welcome back to Rider Fusion, where we cut through marketing noise and talk real motorcycles. Today, we're breaking down the 2026 Aprilia Tuono V4, what's new, what actually matters, and whether this bike still deserves its reputation as the wildest street fighter on the road. Design and road presence. Aprilia hasn't reinvented the Tuono V4. That's intentional. The 2026 model keeps the aggressive naked stance, sharp LED lighting, and compact tail. Small aero refinements improve stability at high speed, but don't expect radical visual changes. If you're hoping for a softer or more comfortable look, this isn't it. The Tuono still looks like it wants to fight you. Engine and performance. At the heart is the V4 engine. Still, one of the best sounding and hardest hitting motors in the segment. Power delivery remains brutal in the upper rev range, smoother down, low. Compared to older models, Aprilia focuses on throttle refinement and emissions compliance, not chasing headline horsepower numbers. If you think more power is what this bike needs, you're wrong. Control is the real upgrade here. Electronics and Rider AIDS. This is where the 2026 Tuono V4 quietly improves. Updated ride modes, smarter traction control logic, refined wheelie control, and improved cornering abs make the bike faster and safer. If you know how to set them, if you ignore a setup and ride it in default mode, you're wasting half the bike. Chassis and handling aluminum frame, premium suspension, razor-sharp geometry, no surprises. Here, the Tuono remains track-capable out of the box, unlike many that are just upright sport bikes. However, comfort is still secondary. Long rides will test your wrists and back. This bike doesn't pretend to be friendly. Tech and instrumentation are refreshed. TFT display, cleaner menus, faster response. Smartphone connectivity is expected, not revolutionary. Aprilia fixes usability complaints instead of adding gimmicks. A smart move. Who this bike is for, and who it's not. This bike is not for beginners. It's not for riders who want relaxed, cruising, or low maintenance. It is for experienced riders who want race bike DNA without full fairings and aren't scared of managing power. If you want comfort, buy something else. If you want character, noise, and precision, this delivers. Final verdict. The 2026 Tuono V4 doesn't chase trends. It sharpens what already worked. No unnecessary reinvention. No fake innovation. Just a more refined version of a machine that already scares most riders, and that's exactly the point.